Okay, so obviously it ain't running that great still. No pain. Injected spot. That's fine. So unplugging the injector. What do you think, Kimisati?
It's the hardest. Because three of them aren't doing anything and I'm talking. pressure. So we got oil coming out of the back one. We got oil coming out of that one. No oil coming out of here.
One injector, going up to the mid to up.
Pictures oil coming out of that one.
What are you thinking? So rough. And get a closer look at those the oil outlet things there. See if there's actually oil coming through. Oh, got my screwdriver. Somebody tried to steal this truck there about a week ago. So this is our handy dandy key. Yeah, we already got the part for that coming. Fucking assholes. You want something? Get a job, you cunts, and go buy one. All right. So should get a real close look where the oil comes out there, man. See what we got anything going, if there is anything.
Yeah. It is running better though.
It is running better. So if you just heard how it was running and we're saying it ran better, you can understand how shitty it was running before. So I think for now we definitely have to pull that injector, right?
Sure, yeah.
Pretty sure.
But it could be the wiring harness that goes to it too, right? It could be the...
You're gonna check it with the voltmeter or
Yeah.
just a visual check?
I mean, now that we've come this far, we should take it out.
What?
We've come this far, we should take that harness off and ohm it out.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna pull the harness. I personally don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it's just an injector. But hey, what do I know? So we'll be back with more of this mental midgetness.